Okay, now alcohols will have a general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 1 OH. Okay, and the name of the alcohol starts from methanol. So methanol. Why it is methanol? Because it's an alcohol, so it ends with OL. So here also ends with OL. So methanol is the first member of the alcohol series, and it's supposed to follow the general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. So methanol will have one carbon atom. So one carbon atom means C1. Hydrogen would be 2 into 1 plus 1. That means 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So CH3OH. So 1 is not necessary to show. So CH3OH is ethanol. Now the next member would be ethanol. So ethanol, how would you draw the structure? Ethanol would be having 2 carbon atoms. So hydrogen would be 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, and OH, C2H5OH. The molecular formula I can also write like this: CH4O also you can say CH4O also, but in order to differentiate it's an alcohol, the OH group need to be shown. So here it would be C2H6O. Like that also you can show, or you can show the alcohol group separately. So this is ethanol, and the third member is propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol. It will go like that. Okay, and there are isomers. I will explain when I teach about isomers. So the first member of the series would be methanol, the second is ethanol, the third is propanol. Propanol would be having C3, and hydrogen would be 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 1, 7, and OH. So this one is called as a propanol. So propanol. So propanol, butanol you can try now. Butanol, pentanol, hexanol and all you can try. Then carboxylic acid. So about the carboxylic acids will have a general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. If you could remember this and just the functional group, will get you the correct formula. Like for example, if I only have one carbon atom, I will be having carbon 1, and hydrogen would be 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, CH3COOH. So the CH3COOH will give you the second member of the series actually, because the COOH functional group itself is considered to be one carbon, so that is methanoic acid. So I will show you the structure of methanoic. Before that, if you're going to start like this functional group, you get the second member of the series, which is ethanoic acid. I named this as ethanoic acid. Why? Because the functional group also having one carbon atom. So I should include that also while I'm naming. So methanoic acid would be, only will be HCOOH. This would be methanoic acid, because it's supposed to have only one carbon and the valence of carbon supposed to be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this I will call it as a methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. So then if I follow the next, the next series would be like the next member would be, if it is C3. Okay, C3 means hydrogen would be 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, C3H7COOH. So I can make the formula. So metha, etha, propa, buta, you keep trying it. Like the next one I can just do it like this. If C is 3, hydrogen would be 7 COOH. So the formula I can write like this. So this would be C3. So C3 means already metha, etha, propa, and this will be butanoic acid, because I told you this carbon also need to be counted. If it is C4, then H should be 9 COOH. So this I will name it as 4 plus 1, 5. So this would be pentanoic acid. This would be butanoic acid, because C of the functional group also need to be counted while you are naming. So methanoic acid would be HCOOH, ethanoic acid would be CH3COOH, and propanoic acid would be CH3CH2COOH. So every time if you see one CH2 member, is this one CH2 group is being added, or one carbon and 2 hydrogen is being added. Okay, so one CH2 is being added every time when you come down the series. That is metha, etha, propa, buta, penta, hexa, hepta. Like each time when you come down, or when you increase a carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atom would be increased. So carboxylic acid, the general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2 COOH. Alcohol CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH.